We're going to make some King Hawaiian bread in our KBS bread maker. First thing first, we're going to take a can of Dole pineapple juice. It says 3/4 cup, and that just comes out to that one can right there. I love pineapple juice. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. We do our liquids all first. So bear with me. Alright, we got the milk in there. We're going to put our egg in there. And I'll tell you, I made this several times already, and it is so good. So I got all my liquids in there. Now we're going to put in the flour. That's 3 cups of bread flour is what I use. Alright. And now we're going to put in 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. I want to tell you one thing. Put your salt over here and everything, and then your yeast go on the sec. You don't want your yeast to be next to the salt right off the bat. As you see, I made a little well right there, and I put my yeast over there, my sugar and my salts over here. And guess what? We're ready to load this bad boy. Lock it in. Alright, now we're going to plug it in. And we want it on that sweet bread setting. That's number 2. It on the number 2. And I want the loaf size to be 2 pounds. So we'll move it up over here. And I want the color to be light. And there we got it on light. And let her take off and hit start. There we go. There. She's getting all mixed up. Oh, I can't wait to have this. And it is so good. It takes about 3 hours on this machine. That's okay. It's worth the wait. So we'll come back and check on it. Ooh, it's all done. Let's check this bread out. Yes. I'll put some butter on it. Now this is the King's Hawaiian bread. So we'll get it out of the pan here. Ugh, look how good that is. Don't you wish they had smell-o-vision? Ooh, it's gonna be so good. We'll let it cool and slice her up. I got this little handy thing off of Amazon to put the bread in here and make it easier to slice. I get ready to dig in, so we're gonna give it a try here. Okay, try it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Woo! Steamed up the camera. Perfect bread every time. King's Hawaiian bread. I'll see you on down the road. Bye-bye.